My school bag. This is my school bag. It is red in color. My bag has a picture of a car on it. It is big and spacious. My bag is waterproof to protect my belongings from rain. My school bag has one big and four small pockets. Two small pockets are at the front and one pocket each on either sides. All the pockets are protected by zip closure. I keep my books in this big pocket. I also keep my drawing book in this pocket. I keep my pencil box in this front pocket and lunch box in the other one. My mother keeps my lunch box inside the bag every morning. I put my water bottle in this side pocket. I keep my drawing colors in this other side pocket. My school bag also has a pocket for my identity card. So, if my bag is lost, the person who finds it can return it to me. My parents gifted me this bag on my birthday. They bought this bag from a shop in our neighborhood. I pack my school bag every night before going to bed. I take good care of my bag and keep it neat and clean. I help my mother wash it every Sunday. I take my bag to school every day. I love my school bag. It keeps my things safe and together at one place.